Good morning. It is 6:36. Today I work at 7. I thought that I will need to wake up a little early to get my windshield ready. And it's just raining. It's no icy. Anyway, I'm going to Starbucks to get a coffee. I haven't had breakfast, so maybe I will have what's the name? Oat milk. They have that option there. And wow, look at this. Well, I don't know if you can see, but already we have cars, a big line of cars going to work. What is going on? Did something happen? So that is my view. Can you see how many cars? That is really weird. Something has to happen in, I don't know, in the bridge or something like that. So now I have to drive a little more careful because people that is trying to cross, like I was trying to cross, cannot see through the cars, more that it's really dark. That's totally weird. And here at least we have lights. Other than that, oh my god, what's going on? Look, I don't know if you can see. Well, maybe not, but we have a big line of cars also coming. Okay, I'm surprised. I don't know. Is so many people going to work today so early? Okay, so what I'm doing, oh, I'm sorry that I'm so behind on videos. I'm really trying to catch, and still growing my list of videos to watch, and it's not ignoring anybody. It's not like no watching, but it's like honestly trying to watch everybody's video. I have a lot of subscription. I think some people got disappointed because I'm taking forever. And I noticed, I think it was yesterday, I was looking, I hardly ever check how many subscribers I am, but then I noticed I lost like 5. And at the same time, I think it's like, you know how many people come and say, hey, soup for soup, and then they run away and unsubscribe? I'm not doing that anymore. Every time that somebody comes and says subscription for subscription, I just ignore that because I know that after 2 days they are gone. So I only do, to be honest, when I get comments, I check if I'm subscribed to the person that is commenting. And sometimes they have YouTube channels, sometimes they don't have, and I subscribe to their channel. Also, if they don't tell me that they have or want my subscription. But when it's like somebody just coming for the subscription just to get a number and then run away, I don't care. And I think 5 of those were in that way because I receive a lot of subscription for subscription. I didn't subscribe, of course, and then they were gone. I don't feel bad about that. I don't like to think in numbers. I like to think in friends when I have a YouTube channel. What else? Today I have first a meeting very early. Sorry yesterday that I finished my video just with my dinner. I was really tired, and then when I put my headset and I began to talk with my friends and everything, I totally forgot about filming. Oh, something that I wanted to explain. Yes, when I say computer games, it involves a lot of things. The kind of computer games that I play are MMOs. That means that you have interaction with people that is around the world. They are players that also are able to communicate with you and talk. Guilds are like group of people that get together. They have a same group. They log together. They use sometimes different kind of messengers that you can speak on the messenger, and that is a really good thing. Why? Because a lot of times I just log on the messenger to say hello, also if I don't feel like playing, and we talk. Everybody talks about everything. It's not only game thing. It's like sometimes come something like, hey, what happened today in this country, or what happened here, how is going there, what is the weather. We finish talking about politics, about traditions, things like that, you know. So it is really nice. It's a nice way to distress, have fun, and not be worried about work, and talk about whatever else you want. Something else. I'm trying to remember what I wanted to mention, but I think I forgot. Oh yes, yesterday back to the gym. Wait a second. I think you can see me a little better now. So yesterday back to the gym, and I worked out less than an hour. It was legs bad. I'm happy that I lost a little extra weight, and I'm able to now to try to define my muscles, you know what I mean? I still have a lot of work to do, but it's going as well, and I enjoyed that. It was so good to be there. It's so cold here right now. It's 30 degrees that are like 3 Celsius, so you can imagine how it's going. Okay, let me get my breakfast. I want a skinny vanilla. I got my reduced fat turkey bacon, and I got my skinny vanilla, so I will try to eat really fast. I have like 10 minutes or less. I was hungry. See you later. The wind is really bad. We are losing power many times, and now I'm trying to see if I can go and get gasoline because I'm getting really low, and I was lazy to go and get gasoline all these days. So I hope the gasoline station is still working good. If not, I have to wait one more day. is back. Finally trying to download or upload my videos. You need to go outside, right? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's see. I don't know if you can hear. The wind is not so bad. It's a little more calm. It was really, really bad. You can hear the house shaking. Now it's better. Well, it was almost 4 hours of no light, no power. Okay, it's not a lot that I can do, but look what I got. I got my Studio Calico box. Just to show you. So let's see what I got. So this is the bag that comes for this month, and it has, let's see, this is another ink roll or whatever you call it. What did it say? Friday, Thursday, Monday, oh, the days of the week. AM, PM, morning. Okay, it's interesting. Like I say, I got another one of these, but it was different. Then I got a pen. Interesting. I wonder if it's a special pen or something. Okay, let me see. It's just a regular pilot pen, a little more hard, you know, like the gel ones that I'm used to have, but it's okay. So we'll put back here. What do we have here? From Amy Tangerine, we got pins. Well, this is kind of weird. Just little pins. I will be honest, I'm like not excited about this. But interesting. Here I have the washi tape or sticky note. It's like a sticky note that you can put like Monday, Sunday, Tuesday. It's okay. Let me see something. Just okay. That is what it comes in this way. I will be honest, it's like so far I'm not excited about everything that I got. What else? That is another book marker or agenda marker. This looks like a desert, green and gray colors. I got these stickers that are, I will say, a little pale for my taste. I know, I'm not trying to say that I didn't like, but they are not really exciting. Why did you didn't make like really bright green and red if you are doing like Christmas style? I'm not sure if that was the intention. November. And the reason, and then these tags, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, everything is related to the days of the week. Color theory pairing, creme brulee, glass slipper, deja blue, great area, passive genuine adventures, reveal the natural world of Canyonlands, where complete rustic shades of honey and mint mix with sapphire tones to create the exhilarating experience akin to warm drinks on cool nights. So I guess that is what they were planning. And oh, it's two of those. Yep, two of these little notes. What do we have here?
one of these papers. I use these ones for my agenda, this personal size, because like dividers, and I like the colors, really nice. And then I have another one, stickers. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Friday. I think a little big for the agendas, but they are cute. So this is all that I got, and like I say, I don't think that is the most exciting one, but it's still being cute. The pen, okay, this is interesting if you have an agenda that doesn't have the days. These two, I love it, but it's like kind of out of the colors. This one, I'm kind of disappointed. It's like, really is nothing that I will be looking forward. And these sticky notes were just okay. So this is my box for the month. Just okay this month. 10:08. I think I'm going to bed. Nothing else that we can do, right? Maybe we could go to read a book and just lay down. The internet, at least I was able to communicate with one of my friends and say that I'm incommunicated. That is the reason I'm not playing. And yeah, I will pass my video. So yeah, actually tomorrow I work late. No, I wanted to play until late. I guess no. So good night for now, and I will see you tomorrow.